I'm here talking with Dr. Margo. I'm so honored to be in her tranquil office. She's got the zen going here and the soft sounds and the soft lighting, and it makes me feel like I'm all nice and cozy. We're going to be talking about love, sex, and dating because we have the love, sex, and dating discussion panel coming up this Saturday. So thank you, Dr. Margo. I really appreciate the opportunity. And I met Dr. Margo because she was teaching mindfulness. She had a book club on mindfulness and mindfulness methods, and that's how I first met her a few years ago. And every time I think of her, I smile because she's such a wonderful person, and I'm so honored to be able to work with you. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm very excited to be part of the event that's coming up on Saturday. And we're starting up the mindfulness groups again.
Oh,
It's been a
yay.
while
Yes.
since we've been able to do it in person, but
Yeah.
that's starting up again, and that's exciting.
That is exciting. For someone that doesn't know a lot about what mindfulness is, what would you tell them?
I would say that mindfulness is a simple concept. It's really focusing your attention on the present moment non-judgmentally. So the non-judgmental part is the part like a lot of people struggle with because a lot of times they're complaining about how things are. And so it's just looking at how things actually are, not worried about the future, how it's going to be, or about the past, how it was, but just as things are right now in the moment, and then not judging it. It's super powerful if we can do that.
That, and I don't remember how you put it before.
Well, the way that I like to explain it is that there's been a big misunderstanding about life and time. So time, usually we think of past, present, and future. But in reality, time is a man-made concept, and it's past and future. But your life is actually right now. Your life is always only in the present moment. And then time is, past and future. So when you are thinking about the future and you're worried about it, that's what anxiety will be. So anxious thoughts are always, always going to be about what's going to happen. And then depression is about what did happen. So if you really think about the past, the way to access it is through your mind, through thoughts, or the way to think about the future, or to access future is to think about it. But it's all just a thought. If it's not actually occurring in this moment, the only way you can access anything is through thinking. So what mindfulness does is help you to effectively deal with life as it occurs, which is in the present moment right now. So if it's anxiety, you would ask yourself, do I need to be worried about that? Is there anything I have to do? And then if there is, then you do it, but there's no sense in worrying about it. The worrying about it is what adds so much of the suffering. And then the same with the past. You can't, a lot of times we're reliving the past. Why did that happen to me? Or why did I do that? But that just causes more suffering. So if there's something you can do, maybe, communicate something in a relationship or do something, to change patterns from the past, then you do it. But you can't actually live in the past. It's not healthy.
Right.
Ah, thank you.